Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Legogeeks Backyard video. It's been a minute. By a minute, I mean this number of days since our last video. I'm pretty sure the last video was some shit with the celica. I think it was with me getting it started. Anyways, it's been probably 5 or 6 months, but I just wanted to give you guys a very quick update. This is the update. The shed now looks like this. It's still a mess, but there's some new tools that I'll be using in the next year to do some fun stuff. Anyways, quick update. Celica's been through a lot. It runs. Well, it was driving. Looks like this. So yeah, I guess we'll start with the Celica. Basically, quick rundown. I got the car running, tuned. I'll probably insert a crap load of clips, or actually, you know what? I'll keep it short and sweet. If you guys want to find out more, I'll probably make a Celica update video and then a Beamer update video separately. But yeah, the Celica, I turboed it, tuned it, did the ECU, did all that stuff. Had fun with it, drove it for like 250 miles, and not easy miles. I drove it like a dumbass, like I usually am. And then I blew the motor because, you know, apparently you need oil in your engine, and if you have a burning 7A FE that has 300,000 miles, and then you have a turbo that also burns oil because you didn't set up the feed correctly, I mean the return line correctly, the car will burn oil. And apparently it needs oil to run. And apparently if your oil gets too hot, you know, it thins out and you spin bearings. So that's what happened with this. But I'll be building the other engine soon, so that'll be on another video. And then onto this piece of shit. So I just took off my exhaust because it was rattling like crazy. But before that, I blew my motor. Kind of. I'll insert a picture here. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already saw what happened with the car. Anyways, Bella's back up and running again. Long story short, I was driving on the highway, lost all power, car shut off, took off valve cover, my cam gear was kapoots. I shredded like 5 teeth off of that, and yeah, I had to do the whole timing, got a new cam gear, and she runs again, but now she has a vacuum leak, so I'm gonna take care of that. And honestly, all the other problems with this car, I'm gonna hopefully take care of it, treat it a little better than I do. So yeah, the exhaust is gonna have to get fixed. I'm gonna be welding that now because I gotta take a machine. So I started to try to pick up welding. But yeah, so hopefully, let's see, for the next year, this is completely unscripted. I'm hoping to get a haircut. That's one. Two, the shop should hopefully be, you know, a little bit more clean. But, you know, for right now, I think next year we are hopefully going to, you know, get some more cars on my channels, because my friends are, how do I put this in a very friendly family way, they're bitch asses. So, you know, hopefully next year we'll get some more car content, not only mines. I'm gonna hopefully do some short form stuff. You're hopefully gonna see Farhan's Teggy on the channel. I'll have him do a video, hopefully, explaining what happened with his Integra. I don't even think I told you guys he got an Integra. Anyways, he got a 94 Teggy with a B20. That's all I'm going to tell you for now. You're also going to see Madi's third G37 that we're hopefully going to be turboing next year. And a couple more friends' cars. Who knows? Maybe Amir's 240 would run. Maybe Nathan might do something with his Accord. You never know. You might see some more cars, man, you know. But yeah, this is a very quick 5-minute, almost 6-minute video that's unscripted. So I'm probably just going to upload it as it is, because I haven't uploaded anything in months. No editing, no nothing. I'm going to just upload it like this. So yeah, and sorry if the footage is shaky. It's cold outside. My hands are shaking. But yeah. Ooh, also one cool thing. I'm gonna be launching a website soon for all the 7AFE stuff that I made. So if you guys are interested in that, and the people who care about the Turbo Celica, by the people I mean like the 130 people that watched the two videos each. There's going to be EGR delete kits, plug and play ECUs, and hopefully turbo manifolds that I'm going to be making properly because mine was a test one, but I'm going to be making them properly anyways. So, they're going to be made out of 304 stainless, properly laser cut like flanges that I designed in CAD. So everything's going to be proper, but, for the next video, that's probably going to get rebuilt. And then, the beamer stuff. So anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to go do other stuff. Probably going to do the beamer stuff. Maybe I'll probably record some beamer shit. I don't know. But yeah, totally unscripted video. So, you know, uh, I'm gonna just like end it here. Anyways, subscribe, like, and comment, or follow me on Instagram at legogeeks.backyard. And yeah, hopefully this will get uploaded before it's 2024. So let's see if I can hold myself to that. It is December 30th. So yeah, peace.